In many ways, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a hero of another generation. Those of us who were alive at the time, when we heard of his death, it hit us in the gut. But many today only know of him and his death from history books. His speech to hundreds of thousands on the Federal Mall and millions on radio and TV was one of the most inspiring in American history.
Free at last! Free at last! Thank God Almighty! We are free at last!
Thousands of streets were renamed for him, though most are in depressed, mostly black neighborhoods. When the idea of a national holiday in his honor was suggested, many were vehemently opposed to it. Today's young people owe him a debt, particularly minority youth. Some of us are old enough to remember a time when there were signs of segregation hanging in most areas of public accommodations and transportation. Some of those signs just blocks from the U.S. Capitol. Blacks today no longer have to sit at the back of the bus. It's a shame, though, that far too many who benefited from Dr. King's life barely know him at all. With some thoughts on Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., I'm Dennis Daly.